Hey, it's Randa Derkson from Randa Nutrition, and today I'm going to show you how to make almond milk. You can totally make your homemade almond milk, super easy, and it tastes amazing. I still buy store-bought almond milk. I buy it from Costco all the time, but when I have a few extra minutes, I do like to make my own because it tastes so much better. So I'm gonna get started. You're gonna want to soak some almonds overnight. If you don't have time for that, boil some water, pour it over the almonds, soak it for like 30 minutes. So I'm gonna drain that. Add it to the Vitamix. You're gonna need a food processor or a high-powered blender like a Vitamix, a Blendtec, or I think a Ninja will probably do really good with that as well. I have 4 cups of filtered water, and by filter, I mean it came out of my fridge, so there's a filter there. I'm gonna put the lid on and just blend. After some blending, now is when you could add any flavors. So maybe a little sea salt, vanilla extract. Vanilla extract's crazy expensive right now. Hot tip, use vanilla bean powder. You get like this big thing for like $20 and it lasts forever. You could add that, hazelnut, whatever you want to do with it. Go ahead, add some stevia, add some honey if you want it sweetened. I'm just gonna keep it plain Jane here and pour it into a nut bag. Now I lost my nut bag. I almost said I lost my nut sack, but I lost my nut bag. So I'm gonna try these grocery, like the fruit holder thingers that you can get instead of using plastic. So hold it over the bowl because you need a bowl to catch the liquid, and just pour it in. And if it doesn't work, I also have some cheesecloth. So I just pour that in there. And it was in the blender for about two minutes of like heavy blending. Oh. See, like you squeeze it and just foam, so much comes out. And you keep squeezing until it's just almond pulp. And something you can do with the almond pulp is dry it out in the oven on a baking sheet and use it for crackers, or grind it up further for almond meal or almond flour. You can totally repurpose everything in this super simple recipe. I don't even call it a recipe, it's just doing something. But seriously, this is it. This is all you need to make almond milk. I'm just gonna give it a couple more squeezes. I mean, I could do a better job and just like give it for another couple minutes, but my goal here is to always give you delicious and tasty recipes that are healthy without taking 10-20 minutes of your time. So we're gonna keep it at that. And like I said, you can always use cheesecloth if you don't have a nut bag or the grocery bags. Pour this into your mason jar, seal it, refrigerate it. You're good for about a week. That's it. That's all there is to it from making almond milk. It's so quick. I'm filming for what, like just a couple minutes? Yeah, so make sure you leave me a comment. Let me know if you have made almond milk before, or if you have or haven't, what would you like to add? Would you add vanilla? Would you add hazelnut? How about lemon? That might be kind of fun for spring, and you can like add it to homemade ice creams. I don't know, maybe I'm just crazy. But we will chat later, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Bye.